how to create Square account. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create Square account. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is to open your web browser. It could be any web browser of your choice. It could be Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, whichever one of your choice. Once you have it open, next step is to type out the domain name for Square, which is www.square.com. And then once you're done and you're brought to the home page, you would see let's create the account. Sign up for Square is fast and free, no commitments or long-term contracts. So you just go ahead and enter in your email in here. Okay. So after entering in your email, the next step is to create a password. So you can just go ahead and do that. And then you have to select your country where you're located because it's determining your language. You can just click on the box and then scroll down to select your country. All right, yeah, where is it? So note that this is a wrong information. This is fake, just so that I can teach you how to get about it. And then once you're done, just check the box or you wait patiently for it to load. Now, if you notice, immediately I clicked on my country, I was redirected on that page. This is because each country has its own peculiar interface. All right, so don't be perturbed or confused by what just happened. Now back to this page, I would go ahead and input my email again. So I'll just type that out now. All right, which is Ayodele05. Okay. 0563 at Gmail. So once you're done, click on continue and then you wait for the page to load. All right. Once that's loaded, we brought to another page where you can continue the sign up process and then you'll be asked to tell about your business. So you can just select the kind of business it is. It's about healthcare, leisure, entertainment, fitness. Just select it. They have to select a category as well. Which of them do you fall under? And then you have to select if you accept cards or not. Then you have to type out your business name. All right. Then business contract by typing out your first name. Just follow through the processes. Then the last name, of course. Then an address. All right. Then the city where the business is located. Just go ahead and type out all of this. Then the postal code. Okay. 100 to A. And then click on continue. And then you wait for it to be saved. You can try to save it to your, if you wish. If not, then just go ahead and click on login. All right. And then just like that, your account will be created. As you can see, this is how it goes. This is how you can create your Square account. Ensure you try this out. All right. Thanks for watching and ensure you have a good day.